Hi everybody, my name is Ziga and I would like to welcome you to our first tutorial. These episodes are our contribution to CryptoBridge Educational Partnership, and we'll be presenting various topics regarding cryptocurrencies, the CryptoBridge trading platform, and other relevant topics on a weekly basis. For more information about our educational partners, check the link in the description below. This episode is a step-by-step guide to account creation. Welcome to CryptoBridge client, where we'll create our first BitShares account. Before we start, we need to do a very basic but yet very important security check. We need to be sure that we are on correct domain with secure connection. The one that you see displayed in the screen is the only legitimate domain of our client, and this image of a log before it shows that we have a secure connection. After that is checked, we can proceed with account creation. When clicking on Create Account button, additional fields shows up. Choosing your unique account name is first thing to do. For demonstration purposes, let's create an account called I Love Trading 1. A 45-character password is generated automatically. The reason it is so long is to ensure that your password is unable to be guessed or compromised. You can see that password consists of uppercases, lowercases, numbers, and combined with its length, it forms a strong password. We confirm password with clicking on the button on its right side, which will copy it. We simply paste it in the empty field beneath Confirm Password section and also store our password on safe location. After password confirmation, we continue with another important sections: citizenship and consent checkbox, which include accepting CryptoBridge general terms and conditions. First, we need to mark if we are citizens of the United States of America. If the answer is yes, we mark obviously yes. If not, we choose second option. It is important to choose yes only if you really are from United States of America, since this will require your account to be verified later on. After that, we need to check paragraphs below and confirm them before we start using CryptoBridge. First three are very important because in case you really lose or forget your password, we cannot help you as we don't store any of your personal information or password. So keep your password safe and do not forget it. After we agree to CryptoBridge general terms and conditions and we are aware of our rights, we can confirm that we are not a robot. And at the end, we create our account. After clicking Create Account, you will be asked to double-check your password and store it properly. If you indicate that you are a USA citizen, as we did for demonstration purposes before, a pop-up will invite you to perform user verification. With clicking on that button, you'll be redirected to our service provider Fractal, where you'll be asked to provide an email address. We will leave this one for our future episodes, which will be available in a week. So we managed to create our first account using CryptoBridge client, which means that you're now a part of our community. At this point, I would like to welcome you and invite you to join our Discord server and follow us on Twitter. Both links you can find in the description below. Also, please subscribe to this channel where we deliver weekly episodes with awesome content. Thank you for watching and see you next Wednesday.